Y'all see this? Look at that. Look at that flower tree. I came to slay every day. This here is my life right now. Girl. Yes. You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
I'm on the outside looking in, convinced within my sins I can make amends. And way back when I was on the south side with my friends, pretending a life with Spain could somehow make sense. I'd sink within myself, and no one else could save me but myself. So I can tell if I have been doing it well, choosing to sell every ounce of my food, losing my way but I'm finding my truth, using my pain, I'm defining my youth, refusing to hide my pursuit. The things that life has showed me, it brings back strife but only when I pretend I was better alone. Friendships they end and begin on their own. Things that have outgrown me, it brings me back to lonely. Only when I didn't understand. Only friends just want the upper hand.
Tell me how to live when all you do is just forgive. Ever since a kid, so it's been all you ever did. Tell me how it feels when the real disappear. What's been dead to you was barely true and lost the appeal. Tell me, was it real or was it fear in the air? Disappearing, overbearing, oversharing the despair. Can't get a minute, well, a minute cause I'm nauseous. Cautious with a friend of me, cause enemies are dauntless. Set me free, let me be the irony it haunts us. Live the dream, I live supreme inside my consciousness, questioning all of these boundaries. Lessons and blessings of bounty, stressing my presence in essence around me. Been deflecting the mess that surrounds me. You think you found me, but I'm living different. I found forgiveness inside of my prison.
The things that life has showed me, it brings back strife but only when I pretend I was better alone. Friendships they end and begin on their own. Things that have outgrown me, it brings me back to lonely. Only when I didn't understand. Only friends just want the upper hand. The things that life has showed me, it brings back strife but only when I pretend I was better alone. Friendships they end and begin on their own. Things that have outgrown me, it brings me back to lonely. Only when I didn't understand. Only friends just want the upper hand. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is yet another headband wig. This one was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. This one is 150% density and 20 inches of wonderfulness, and I am feeling it. So this isn't technically a headband wig, as it doesn't come with that little black headband attachment piece that a lot of these wigs have. I guess this one is technically a 3/4 wig, but either way, I am all here for it, honey. So the construction on this unit, you do get one comb right in the front, you get one comb right in the back, as well as 2 adjustable straps on the side. This unit definitely is very big head friendly. The cap is super breathable. So this is 100% human hair wig, and honey, this is super soft. It is so full, and I like that it's like a little bit layered. If you guys can see this, see how it's like a little bit shorter up here and then it gets longer and thinned out at the bottom. I absolutely love that. I didn't go in and add any heat or anything like that because I am absolutely just in love with the density. But of course, since it is human, you can straighten it out if you wanted to. I love this natural looking crinkle pattern that it already has in it. Like I said, it is 20 inches, and on me, I'm 5'3" for reference, and that falls pretty much to like the middle of my boobs. I feel like this is very natural. You can't tell me this is not my hair. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this is looking like all around.
So this unit does retail at $131.50, which I feel like honestly isn't bad, especially in comparison to all the other human hair wigs that are out there, especially with this length, texture, and density. I feel like a lot of the units that are coming out that are headband wigs are way more expensive than this, so I feel like this one definitely is affordable, and it's beginner friendly, so like, can we get into that? Let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. To be honest, I literally have absolutely no cons. I feel like, it is what it is. It's a headband wig, but I do have a lot of pros on it. I love the texture. I really love the density. Like this 150, girl, this is looking like 180. So yes, it is very full. It's very soft. Just like I said, I like the whole layering situation that's going on. I mean, it's pretty basic as far as the specs are concerned, because I feel like all of these headband wigs are made the same, but I feel like the quality of this feels really good. And just like I said, I like the fact that it doesn't have that pre-attached black velcro band, so that if you wanted to, you could wear it as a 3/4 wig and then just pull a little bit of your hair out front. But also, if you're like me and you don't feel like pulling any of your hair out front, you could just throw a little headband on it, and now it's a headband wig. And for the fact that it doesn't have that black velcro, it's much easier to mask, in my opinion, because you don't have that black band that you kind of need the headband to cover. Like, look at this. Look at that, girl. Shout out to Beauty Forever for sending me this, because I am going to be rocking this on a daily. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.